I'm going to talk about RoomMate. RoomMate is the kind of facility that if you haven't got very good sight, never mind if you haven't got any sight, is absolutely crucial when you go into a loo. And this is a specialist disabled person's loo, accessible toilet, but it really is something that we perhaps could do with everywhere, because I'm sure you've been in there and you wash your hands several times, trying to find the facilities, pressing this button, pressing that, finding out you pressed the wrong one. So here we are with this facility, which is just off Westminster Hall in the Palace of Westminster, and it's talking to me. And I'm taking my dog in.
There's a lever on the right.
Speak to me.
The wash basin is on the right-hand wall from the toilet when seated.
And what about the rest?
There is a single lever tap.
And where is that?
The soap dispenser is above the basin.
Well, thank you very much.
It is manually operated.
So that's pretty good, because you could talk it through and it will tell you where everything is, and that's great for me and it might be great for you.